the 352. So these are a suite of hearing protection standards, which were updated originally from 2002 to the 2020 version. But there's now also an amendment as well to the A1 in 2024. These are to be harmonised and adopted into the official journal. These will be some of the suite, and we'll go through this in the next slide or two, are being adopted in August of this year. The suite of standards covers various types of hearing protection devices that include earplugs, earmuffs used in occupational and recreational settings, ensuring performance criteria including noise reduction are met. Next slide, please. So the ones that are affected, there's a larger suite of the EN 352 standards, but the ones that are actually affected are as follows. Part 2, which is to the amendment 2024, these are for the earplugs. Part 6, which will be also to the amendment 2024, these are earmuffs with safety related audio input. Part 8, also to the amendment 2024, which are hearing protectors, entertainment, audio earmuffs. Part 9, which is also to the amendment 2024, which are earplugs with safety related audio input. And Part 10, which is also to the amendment 2024, these are hearing protectors, entertainment, audio earplugs. Next slide, please. So the technical changes that are being done to all this suite. If we start with Part 2, so there's the one here, which is the earplugs. These are only affected the banded earplugs when measured under the chin. This is with regards to positioning. Previously, it was measured behind the back of the head, but now with the dimensions of the head form being different under the chin, there's a slight change within the actual test method there. Nothing else is affected. For 352 Part 6, the amendment affected by testing to 13819 Part 3, 2024. So the main difference here is to do with the actual A-weighted equivalent diffuse field related to the sound pressure level. This is generated by the hearing protector within the built broadcast receivers. This now allows for the DAB. So if you have a device which is FM frequency, etc., you don't need to make any changes. But if you're introducing DAB, then that one of the tests there, clause 7.2.4, needs doing again. This is also the same for 352 Part 9, because that is also 13819 Part 3. So that affects those two. It also affects Part 8 and Part 10, which are the earmuffs and also the earplugs as well. So that's literally the difference there by introducing that test. In terms of it coming through into the system, these will be coming through into the OTA by August 2026. The one thing we're not aware of at the moment is 352 Part 2. So we would still assess that to the 2020 version, and the A1 2024 will be as a technical specification to Annex 2 of the PPE regs.